Okay, well, I'm doing a video about cleaning gold. Now, I've already done a video already, but what I didn't realise is that this ultrasonic cleaner, I'm going to make the video about this ultrasonic cleaner. When it's running, you cannot hear anything on the video except for the sound of the machine. None of my talking or anything. So obviously I can't have that running while I'm talking. So anyway, basically I went to Aldi to get some beer, and I saw this ultrasonic cleaner. It was $30, $29.99, $30. And I thought, oh well, we'll give that a go, because normally when we clean the gold we drop it into Aldi, which is 5% phosphoric acid, and you leave it in for a week or two, and it cleans it up eventually. It's a cheap way of doing it. This machine at $30, I thought, oh well, I'll give it a go anyway. It's got a 3-year warranty. It's designed to clean jewellery and dentures and whatever. I'm not interested in that kind of stuff. I only got it to clean the gold. Now I already have done some cleaning, and everything here has been cleaned with it, and that was really dirty. And these parts here, well, I've got all this. I've got plenty, but this part, these ones here have only been cleaned in the Aldi and not put in this machine. So I'm going to give these a go now. So rather than fill the whole thing with Aldi, I've just filled it with water, and I've just put Aldi in this little container here, so that we don't have to tip the whole thing in, because it gets dirty as soon as the machine starts. So I'll drop in these pieces. That one. Say these have been cleaned, but not in any, not with this machine. And you can see there's lots of red dirt still in them. I'll just drop these other bits in as well. That one there, that's a kind of strange one. That one is full of specks of gold. But we'll see what happens with that one. Where are those tweezers here? Now once it starts, I'll let you see how instantly it cleans it, but I'll have to turn the sound off because the noise affects the video so badly it's unlistenable. So let's hope this time this video works out, and this is a very cheap way of cleaning gold, and quick. It's so quick. This scale on the side here, this is in seconds, so we'll set it maximum of 600 seconds, 10 minutes. So that's the maximum it does, but that's absolutely plenty. I mean, it doesn't even need to be on that long. So the Aldi is an acid, which does help with the cleaning process, but I haven't tried it just with water, but I think it would probably clean it as well anyway. We'll see how it goes. So I'll turn it on. You can see how it dissolves the dirt off until the water goes murky, and then I'll turn the video off, and then I'll just do some more explaining. Okay, here we go, but the sound is going to drive you crazy. Okay, it's finished that 10-minute cycle now. Let's have a look at what we've got. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a lot cleaner. That's a lot cleaner. That one will go for another go. This is just water here to give them a wash. Let's have a look at that one. That's nice. That's nice. Wow. I'm not sure that it would need any more cleaning. That's come up so good. Oh, well, there you go. Isn't that great? Okay. There's others in here as well, isn't there? Well, I think that basically concludes the video with this very cheap $30 machine and a bit of this Aldi that you can get from Super Cheap. I'm even saving the dirty mixture in this jar because I don't see why it wouldn't work. Anyway, it's just I just wanted to show you see the dirt dispersing with the sound. So anyway, happy gold hunting and happy gold cleaning with this $30 machine from Aldi. Well, I suppose any of these, they're quite cheap on eBay as well. But this, for this price, with a 3-year warranty, you couldn't go wrong. Over and out. Oh, this is the sound of it running with the lid. Listen back to the video, you can see how loud that is backed up. Obviously, but maybe it's quieter with the lid now. Anyway, I'll get back to you. Alright, I'm just, the process is finished for a second time now. I don't know whether it's going to be any different to what it was the first time. Oh, you can see the amount of dirt that's come out of it. Okay, now what I'll just do,
hands in the way.
Yeah, is I'll just drop those in the water. Actually, even in this dirt, there are minute particles of gold, but of no value, I don't think. Right. Oh. Check that out. Unbelievable. Look, even that one's come up. Even that one's come up much nicer, even though that's pretty degraded quartz. Oh yeah, pretty good. I might put that one back in for a bit. It's good though. Yeah, still a bit of... No, I don't think there is. I think that's just holes now. And then this one. Oh yeah, that's beautiful white quartz and gold there. Excellent. What a good machine.